How to delete Facebook account. Firstly, open up Facebook and go to hamburger icon, scroll it down, go to settings and privacy, go to settings, and under the search settings, search for delete, and here you can see delete your profile and information option. Just click on the option, and after that select delete account and continue to account deletion, and click on continue and give one of the reason why you want to delete your Facebook account, and continue to account deletion, and scroll it down and click on delete account, and here enter your password and click on continue, and your account deletion process will start, and after 30 days your account will be deleted. And in this way you can delete Facebook account. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment.